Good morning.
Good morning.
Well, today I thought we could have a fun and do no hands challenge.
On what?
Well, vacuuming no hands challenge. Have you got any idea what that means? Right?
You can use anything from your body except for your hands. So that will be kind of a challenge.
That will be a very big challenge, and it should be fun too. Yeah.
Yeah. We're gonna do it, aren't we, Peter?
Yeah, we can try. Yeah. Now, for that challenge, we need a Hoover. Another thing we need is wooden hands.
Yay.
And another thing that we need is a bit of dirt. We have everything. Let's get going.
Yay.
Can you plug the Hoover in? You can use your mouth or your legs. That's a good technique. Well, I love that. Brilliant! Good idea. You can use your feet. Is it done?
Yeah.
Shall I inspect the carpet?
Barely anything.
Oh, I see loads and loads and loads of rocks. Well, but you vacuum about 80% of it, maybe 90. Let's see if if your brother can do better job, shall we?
Yeah. Probably.
That was brilliant technique you had. I would never thought of hanging it on your shoulders. Huh? Very innovative.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up. Right? Come on, mister. Your turn. Steady, go. Oh, you got good technique.
Just to maybe get most of it.
All right, okay. Oh.
How much do you think our Hoover's so far?
Quite a bit. There's still lots of stones left. Good, that's good, that's good. I think you can finish now.
I think that's about all of it now.
Right, ready for inspection? Let's inspect your carpet. Ooh, hardly any. Hardly any. One tiny, two tinies. Ooh, very good job. Brilliant. Very good.
I bet I beat my brother.
How about if I tried now?
No.
Why not?
I don't think you're that good.
You don't think I'm good? How about if Mama picked up 100% of it? Shall we have a bet? That with no hands, I'll pick up 100%?
I think you can do it.
Well, if I win, what you gonna give me?
Nothing.
Come on, let's have a bet. If I pick up 100%, you give me £5.
No.
And if you find a single stone, you get a £5.
Deal.
Okay, is that a deal?
Deal.
Yeah?
Okay, deal. I'll be inspecting it though.
You'll be inspecting it,
And
right?
my brother as well.
So 2 of you will be inspecting Mama's work, yeah?
Yeah.
Come here. Did you hear the deal?
Yes.
I'm gonna hoover up, no hands used. And if you find a single stone, I pay you £5. If you find nothing, you give me £5. Is that a deal?
Deal.
Yeah? Right, let's do it. So you said this is hard?
Yeah.
No hands. legs are killing me. Oh! Oh! Oh!
Are you done?
I'm sweating.
Done yet?
I can't see any rocks on that part. Oh,
You want to stop now?
oh, my legs.
You want to stop now?
No, get off me. I want my 5 pounds. Where are my wooden sticks? Get me my hands. Where are my wooden hands?
No, not getting them.
Oh, my legs are killing me. What? It's stuck to the carpet. What? This is not possible.
Are you done?
How did you do with this? It's not working.
Are you done yet?
No. I can't do it anymore. My legs are killing me. What? My booty is killing me.
Done?
No. God, sweating. Almost done here.
This is like awesome. This is good.
On stone.
Single stone for the 5 pounds. Even one.
Right.
One of them.
Oh,
Done.
I found 2.
Please take it down now. I want to get checking.
Right.
Done?
Done.
Okay, Mummy, it's done. There's one. There's one here, Mummy. There's one here. There's one here.
What you put it there?
No, I didn't. No, we
Where is the stone?
And there's one there.
What? I worked so hard for nothing? So do you mean I lost 5 pounds?
Yes.
No way!
Guess why we're the best.
My legs are killing me, my belly is killing me, my booty is killing me, my feet are killing me. And you say I lost 5 pounds as well?
Yeah, I'm gonna get it right now.
No! What do you mean you're gonna get it right now? My poor legs.